That's why I don't even be mad when you be talking about a random topic. Next thing you know, you talking about who you voting for president. Because it's always they fucking fault. They give us all these damn promises. They don't do shit. And then they let DoorDash send us $2 orders. I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it. Look at this shit. That's that same order. Eric, you better be driving ice cream 25 miles away. Because you supposed to be delivering this shit so I don't see it. I done made $6. Look at this shit. Kevin say how much you made. $6, Kevin. I'm mad as hell. I'm pissed off, man. Everybody say I sound like Chris Tucker. I'm pissed off, man. Look at this. I made $6. I've been out here 2.5 hours. I'm pissed off, man. I can't take it no more. Man, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this shit. Can't take it no more. Reem say I deserve it. You know what you deserve? You deserve to keep on commenting. Look at this shit. They don't care about nothing. Look at this. That's Reem order right there. Oh my God. Look. $6 for 2.5 hours. Yeah. Look. They love that shit, boy. They love that Cold Stone. I don't even like this shit. I make my ice cream at home. Give me a great value ice cream tub. Give me a great value chocolate syrup. What you need, some great value frozen strawberries. Bruh, I don't need that shit. That shit probably cost $50. This shit crazy as hell, boy. This shit is crazy as hell. I'm trying to tell y'all, look, this is real life. This is real life. For real, for real. $10.05. Calm down, Tucker. It's not your business, mate. I'm not a mate. I'm a motherfucking American, okay? Ain't no mates over here. We in the land of the free. You leave all that mate shit over in Australia, and maybe if I hop on a kangaroo, then you call me a mate. But for right now, I'm American. Drop the A, capital M, American. Somebody drop it in the chat. Mate. Ain't no damn mate. You gotta work if you want to make the money. That's right. I am working. That's what you gotta realize. This is America. Even when it don't look like I'm working, I'm still working. I'm in my sleep and I'm working. Why? Because this is America. Not America. America. Okay? Land of the free. They might enslave the shit out your ass, but you'll be free sooner or later. Just sit down and hold on. Just calm the fuck down. Okay? Shit. They might fuck you. Yeah, it's America. Yeah, it might fuck you over a little bit, but guess what? You're gonna be alright. So just chill. No tip, no trip. That's right. Shit. Where's my phone charger? Shit. Y'all be tripping, man. Y'all be tripping. America! Yes, sir. I'm about to start my dash and pray. Erica said she about to start her dash. Everybody pray emoji hands for Erica. Get that money. Because I ain't getting nothing. Calm down, brother. I am calm. You don't even know. I am chill right now. You don't even want to see me on 10. Y'all ain't never even seen me on 10. That's what you got to realize. You think I'm turned up, but my knob is on 3. This motherfucker all the way to 25. I'm on setting number 3 right now. Just remember that when you tell me to calm down. This is number 3. You can go a lot higher. Go deliver that ice cream. It's not happening. Move it, Austin. Where you get that DoorDash shirt, bro? I got it from Wally World. What you think? Come on now. Stop playing with me. They took our jobs. Hell yeah, they took our jobs. Hell yeah, they did. They love saying calm down. They love saying that shit. They do. You don't even know. You even got 20% of FDA. You ain't even got 100% yet. I be wilding. Hell yeah. I wasn't even finna do a live stream today because I didn't even know if I had the energy. What y'all gotta realize is it takes a lot of energy to do this. What I'm doing right now, gig gal, no. Take a lot of energy. This ain't no shit you could just do every day. You ain't gotta understand. You gotta be well planned and well preparized. That's not a word, but it's gonna be okay. We're gonna rock with it. Well planned and well preparized, okay? That way mentally and financially, you be alright. Cause you ain't making no money off no motherfucking AdSense on no motherfucking vertical live stream. You might make a little bit. You might make a little bit. I take that back. But still though, it's probably about the same as this UberEats payout. It's probably about the same. Oh shit, we got some surge down there, cuz. Let me go ahead.